What's good, y'all? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, tomorrow I will be announcing my new YouTube name, or I may be asking you guys for help. We're no longer will be called BBEENT. So, with that being said, I'm gonna need a new name. But you feel me? As we can see here, Mr. DDG, you feel me? Done leveled up again. You feel me? First he popped out with the I. Now he popped out with what it was the I think he already had a G. He had a G wagon, and now he has the Rolls Royce, and now he's getting a Lamborghini and it's like a Urus. So we feel I just want to see what kind of car it is. You feel what I'm saying? Like I love cars. You feel me? And it's motivational because this man really did. He really did all this with YouTube and music. You feel what I'm saying? But YouTube was his start. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm pretty sure, like, if you out there, you don't have to do music, but if you want to do YouTube, you can use YouTube to invest in other things and make you money like it did for him. So let's go ahead and watch this video real quick. Let's see what my boy done caught. Let's see what he got in his stable. You know what I'm saying? That is slow.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy DDG.
I ain't
Yo,
gonna lie, bro. That good brother ugly as fuck.
today is a beautiful morning. I woke up this morning and I was like, I want a Lambo today. I'm about to get
Niggas
one.
be peeking.
So, my birthday is in like 5 days or 4 days or something like that. So I'm spoiling myself early. I wanted this other Lambo truck the other day. Somebody sold it as soon as I was finna go get it. So I decided I'm finna just hurry up, get up, go grab this, get it over with, and get straight to it, man. It's a very, very beautiful blessing. I want y'all to know, even though I might flex, even though I might, come off as arrogant, that's just me really trolling, bro. I'm really, really grateful for the position that I'm in. I'm very, very thankful for y'all being a part of this journey, and I love y'all. But it ain't gonna hit me till I drive off and then
video in about
But
5,
it gonna be
6,
lit, man.
10
Smash the like button. DDG caught the Lambo. I like race and Lamborghinis, no doubt. Hey, turn that music on.
That's crazy.
You know, I'm on.
Dang, bruh. Like,
That's
dang,
crazy.
shit. Lambos and fuck. Dang.
Right foot creep.
Walking with that heater. Look around. Stay down. Make sure they don't see. Which one? That one. This one? This one?
Hard.
Like the color. Okay.
Them bitches hard, boy.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. These cars is sick. That's nasty.
Shit like GTA, nigga.
I wouldn't even want this. 667,000. You can't go nothing. This is what I don't get. Why people be getting super duper fast cars. Yeah, what's up? Good, man. Nice to meet you. You in heaven? Yeah, I'm ready to get a car. I'm ready to get this car right here. So what we need to do? But I was saying, bro, we can't go nothing but 6.
All you need to launch a cult escape route. An ability to escape, or at least look like you can. A Squarespace online store. Vibes, more vibes. Oh, hello. But really, as long as you have a logo that looks good on literally everything, and an email newsletter for every hot new drop, you're set.
Shit, well, let me find out, cause I got a lot of hard shit.
65 miles per hour is the point. Like getting a car that goes 260. I never got that. I think we're trying to be racers, but it's illegal. So it's a piece. This is crazy.
I'm gonna get
anybody be buying these? People be buying these?
We did one this morning.
This morning you sold one of these?
We sold a 300 one, but it has to check.
For how much?
$690.
$690. I would never. Maybe one day. All right. How much is this?
3.7.
3.7 million. All right. Okay. That ain't my range right now, bro. I ain't in that range. This is crazy.
Listen here,
Can't
man.
get in that bitch. They said no.
Listen here, man.
All right, y'all. I just did all the paperwork, man. Crazy how I handled it with the Lamborghini store and in my song, my hit song. Moonwalking.
That's how you really got that motherfucker.
Well, fuck, and I said I don't even like them. That's how you know I be lying and shit. Cause I like them now.
Hey, I'm gonna let y'all know right now. That's a tax write-off. You feel me? He made some money, so now he gotta basically hide that money, so he had to buy another car. That's how it goes in the business world. Just letting y'all know. So it's really like free for him because it's a tax write-off. He had to pay that in taxes anyway, so it's a write-off. Hey, there you go.
I just grabbed that one. That's like $1,200, right? Yeah, that's too much. I don't even spend no more. Shopping for my birthday shit. I don't want to buy this bag.
I would never buy none of this stuff.
$3 though.
I support one of y'all brothers if I had it. I'd never buy none of this shit.
Gotta fuck with the Dior. How much is this? Let's see how much this is. Oh.
No way.
Wait a second.
Alright, y'all. Did a little bit of shopping for my birthday.
No, for me to spend $750 on a nigga, he gonna have to support me first.
October is.
That's crazy. I support one of y'all before I support that shit. No cap. They had that boy pay for that Lambo. Had that boy pay for that Lambo.
I'm not gonna pick up the Lambo right now.
You said every day what? Every day my birthday. So what you do yesterday for your birthday? Ain't do shit. Shut your water bottle head ass up.
Yeah, really.
Every day my birthday. You a baddest bitch. The baddest.
Every day my birthday.
Every day my birthday,
I want
bitch.
the Breaking Bad.
What the fuck? I got a birthday.
That boy brother clowning.
It's real life. Oh, it's real life. It's real life. You gotta be mad, right? You gotta be.
That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I'm grateful Dez got on his feet.
Alright, cool.
See, I would've rocked them shits way different.
I don't need no extras.
So this one here is going to say, it's your dupe.
That boy paperwork red tea.
Sir, man. I like racing Lamborghini. Sleevy, man. No regular day.
Ain't no regular day.
Regular day, man. October 50th. I know I do it every year.
Yeah, his birthday coming soon too. Just like mine. Mine next Tuesday.
When I pull up to the jet. Get it. No cap.
That's crazy.
No cap. No cap.
What you got out of there, bro? What you get?
Man, I already know, man. One of them. Oh,
you bought a mystery car?
Can't even see.
Man, y'all ain't allowed to
I
see.
ain't know what it is, man. Light work. No cap.
No God.
Hey, man. First went from the I-8. Went from the Oldsmobile to O2. I used to whip that bitch. I cried that night when I. How did shit go?
Lambo. Just L-O.
Yeah,
L-A-M-B-O.
Lambo, yeah.
L-A-M-B-O.
Looking at. Started off.
And it's a wrap. From pre-production to final cut, Monday.com got you covered. Manage your production team in one place, share assets, and make sure everything happens on time. Go to...
That makes me happy to see niggas getting money, man.
Did G to my mom.
Man, living his life.
Got rid of the Oldsmobile. Fucked around, got an I-8. You got the I-8. Got another I-8. G-Wagon. Rolls Royce. I got a Lambo.
That boy, I ain't gonna lie, he got a hell of a collection, boy.
Alright, y'all. We're gonna do the reveal of the vehicle right now. Brand new Lamborghini. You can probably take a guess what the shape it is. Y'all just rip it off? Yeah. Mark, set. No!
That's the same one from outside.
I'm gonna get it, Rizzy Roof. Is that a lot? Oh, yeah. So I decided to go with the chocolate interior.
Hold on, before you say that, dang Terrell, we get to ride in a Lambo when we leave, bro. What the niggas doing?
Hey, listen. Come check it out. We might as well do a car tour right here because I don't do YouTube.
Should have them do the car tour. Let them tell you all the details.
Okay.
Specs.
Can you tell us the specs of the vehicle?
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, the exterior color on this one's called Grigio Lynx.
Okay.
It's got the upgraded 23-inch wheels.
Grigio hate it, boy.
Yeah, so it's an Italian.
Them crackers hate it.
Grigio links in the line. We talking to you.
And we got the wheels are diamond cut as well, which gives it a.
Ooh. I ain't got them on today.
Yeah, a little same.
Oh, snap on. There we go.
Yeah, that's about the same.
That's a walk. I mean, that's there you go. The wheel diamond cut. Wasn't funny. Here you go.
And then, so overall, this car is 650 horsepower. Whoa.
I don't know what that is.
It's 625 foot-pounds of torque. The car absolutely flies. All-wheel drive, V8, air suspension, so it lowers up to the maximum drive motor in. It's an absolute beast. Wow, you can have a lot of fun.
Okay. So 0 to 60. What is it?
0 to 60, people say it's about 3.2, but really it's closer to 3, to be honest.
3 what?
3 seconds.
3 seconds.
Wow. 0 to 60.
Pretty
Pretty quick.
Okay. Pretty quick. Let's check out the inside, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the back. Get the back, man. Right there. Here, Terrell. Come on, bro. Leather interior.
So this is one of the upgraded interiors called Elegante interior. So
Elegante.
it's,
Write that down. Write that down.
Terra Asia Vintage, which is the brown, and then we got the QC Tura hexagon stitching.
QC 4PF.
Then we got the different driving modes here. So depending on what mode you're in, it'll raise or lower on the air suspension.
What's the best mode?
The most fun you're gonna have here in Corsa, which is track mode. It's gonna be the loudest and the stiffest, most fun to drive.
Okay.
You got a panoramic sunroof above you.
I ain't noticed, man. Panoramic roof.
And then,
I heard that in the song before.
Kevin Gates.
2 touchscreens.
Oh man. Oh, touchscreen.
So the bottom's
Put it
gonna
on
be
1X.
climate control. So like your AC, heated seats, massage chairs,
Oh, ain't no buttons on here.
all touch.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Up here's infotainment. You got Apple CarPlay. You got your iPhone. So that will plug in and mirror your phone.
Okay.
You also have wireless charging.
Whoa.
Put it right here on this pad.
Oh. And it charges. Somebody give me your phone.
It might work with the case on. Try it.
It's T-Mobile. T-Mobile don't usually work like that.
Okay.
Okay. Charge. I don't need to charge it no more. Got an SD card just in case I want to edit. Final Cut Pro on here.
And the brown steering wheel. Not a lot of the cars have the matching wheel to the interior.
Yeah.
They're usually always black. So
That's
it's a nice
beautiful.
touch.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Here's some information.
I'm gonna go through it and all that, but I'm ready to take it.
Let you go have some fun. That's what it's all about, right?
Yeah. Let's take it home. New Lambo alert. New Lambo alert. Big Edie.
This is on some GTA shit, bro. This is crazy. Oh my god.
I said that too. Oh my god, this
This is my whole back seat, y'all. I gotta get rid of this, man. I got
You got rid of G?
I'm throwing stuff away for the past 30 minutes.
So there it is here.
Okay.
Goes here. And this plugs into this part of the battery.
Okay.
Just like that. And then this plugs into the wall.
Oh, okay. You just leave it there.
Yep.
Okay. Keep the battery fresh. Gotcha.
Don't even say anything.
It's not even like that, bro. I told you. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is something that I informed you about when I was at the Mercedes-Benz dealership or whatever.
You're stuttering. Because you know you're fucking wrong, yeah. You're fucking
He got
wrong.
rid of G-Wagon.
You're fucking wrong now.
Damn.
That is crazy.
We really got that right from there?
This is it. This is us.
Right there.
This is us, bro. That's wild, bro. Hold on, let me see if I can see Dave's hand.
Fuck.
Can't see him. That's crazy. Oh, there you go. That's wild.
Is he in cartoon though?
Nah, he in real life.
That shit.
For a while, we both struggled with
can't-
low credit scores.
Oh, I
Then
can't wait.
I heard about Self. It's a new way to
I
build
can't
credit
wait till
that
I
doesn't
get my
require
shit,
credit.
boy. Oh my god.
Oh, shit. This is crazy. Wait. Okay, hold on. Nah, this is wild. I'm in massage right now. This is crazy. Okay, how did you get to that? My bad. I'm trying.
You should press on the seat. So turn it off. Now click it.
Oh wow. Pulse.
And then you can adjust the intensity by just pressing.
That's lit.
What the hell? You get a massage while you
That's lit.
man.
That's dope.
Attention, everybody! I just bought a Lambo. This is a Lamb. Sir, this is a Lamb. This is a Lamb truck. Everybody, pay attention, bitch. I just bought a Lamb truck. This is a Lamb. This is a Lamb, guys. That's fucking work. This is a Lamb.
That's I ain't gonna lie, bro. Show out, nigga. You earned it, bro. You worked for it.
Sir, this is a Lamb.
Alright, y'all, that is the end of this vlog, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. I'm very, very excited. I'm very, very satisfied with my car. I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna get these windows tinted. I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna pimp it out, man. This is the beginning of my birthday, the prelude. I wanted a Lambo truck, so I went and got it, man. He's gonna speed, he's gonna fuck up time, bro. But y'all, I just posted a picture on Instagram. My Instagram is Pontiac Made DDG. I want 1 million likes on the picture for my birthday. That's all I want. So I need every single one of y'all watching this right now. Go to my Instagram and just smash the like button on my last picture. Let's get 1 million likes. Let's aim for it. Let's get it. That's all I want for my birthday. I don't want nothing else. You ain't got to buy me nothing. You go like my picture, man. Repost it or something. Come on now. 1 million likes on my picture. I love y'all. This is just the prelude. I got so much more lit stuff going on for my birthday. Damn near DDG Tober, DDG birthday. I got a vlog. It's mandatory that I vlog, so I'm gonna give y'all a few vlogs and stuff. So I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Go to my Instagram. Go like the picture. 1 million likes for my birthday, and I love you forever. No cap. Yeah.
Hey man, shout out to that boy. You feel me? He worked really hard. That nigga been doing YouTube for a little minute. So to see him fight a couple Lamb truck, that's amazing. But you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, I might do it a little bit faster. You feel me? Cause I really know what the hell going on. But nah, we not watching it. But you feel me, y'all? Yo, please make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. I'm on a road to 1,000. Y'all need to help me get monetized, man. I'm trying to get monetized. I'm on a road to 1,000. We out.